Unboxing slash sort of a review for you, more of an overview. I haven't actually used it, so I can't quite review it yet. But it is the Freewise 25-in-1 precision screwdriver set. On Amazon, it is the 25-in-1 precision screwdriver set. Freewise DIY mini repair toolkit for PC glasses, mobile phone, laptop, watch, drone with leather case. It's actually only $8.99, and as you can see, it's small. Comes double plastic wrapped here, but it also came, it shipped in a padded envelope. As a leather case is what they call it. I'm not sure if it's real leather, but it is soft, like leather, but I don't know. It is magnetic, or not a magnetic, sorry, just a snap clip. And it does, firmly very well. And the interesting thing about this is how these are in here and how they come out. There's a little pocket for whatever you want to put in there. Again, it's 25-in-1, so obviously we have 25 pieces, right? This is the handle, the shaft. It's metal. And supposedly there is a magnet down inside here which holds the bit into place. The top free spins, so you can hold it and twist at the same time, which is nice actually. The plastic ones, I've used them too, and they're not the greatest. The bits here we have, see, they kind of fall down like that. They're locked in place. They come out. To get them out, you have to slide all the way down. Oops, sorry, stand it up and slide it out. And it goes in the same way. There is a slot right there at the bottom where it comes out. And it goes back in, like so. And it took me a minute or so to figure it out, how they came out. Because I did check it before when I got here. Anyway, here is the bits here. There's notches, goes in and locks into place. It's held with a magnet, so I mean it's not going to go anywhere. Doesn't seem like it. We have 24 screwdrivers, and of course the head is 25. They are labeled. We got a T8, T9, looks like T10, and T15. And then we have smaller here. It looks like 1.0. That one's not marked, but it's tiny, 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 as you can see. And then, of course, we have flatheads and Phillips heads. It's not a bad little set, I think, especially these. These are the Phillips. These ones here. I don't know why there's one, I think, mixed up here for some reason. But there's one here too, but then there's all these Phillips as well. They're tiny, I mean tiny, tiny, tiny. I was looking for one this not long ago actually. So they can be useful. Anyway, Freewise toolkit, it's a nice little toolkit. The case, I don't know, I'm not sure about the case. It just feels kind of flimsy, I don't know. And this will stay in, but it will come out that way. So you kind of have to watch that, because it doesn't really lock into place. So it might, or maybe not. I was worried it might slide out, but I guess it holds in the tension of the case being clipped and closed, holds it in place. But this system is neat, actually. It keeps everything in place for you. You can resort them, of course. There are little protectors there for the bottoms, the tips, and all that for you. Anyway, Freewise DIY mini repair toolkit, 25 piece, for $9. I think it's worth it. I mean, I haven't tried any of them out yet, so I'm not sure how long the bits will last or how well they'll work, but I hope they will. They are made of high strength stainless steel. It doesn't tell you exactly what the steel is, but stainless steel. That's it. Not much else to say, really. It's a nice little kit, I think. Especially for $9. I think, Most people would be happy with this. Little DIY person in your life be really happy with it. I know I'm just going to toss this in my desk drawer, which, because it's so small. And keep it right there in my desk drawer for whenever I need it. And that way I don't have to get out a bigger kit for things that I do often. But Freewise kit, pretty decent. Good deal. Thanks.